Welcome to Dr. Zahir Math. In this video, I'm going to revise Module 2, Exercise 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 and 1.4. Right, let's start this video. First question, determine whether 3, 8 lie on the graph y is equal to 2x plus 2. So how to do this question? So take this point as x and y. Put in the equation. If left is equal to right, then we are going to say that the point lie on the graph. If not, we are going to say the answer no. Right. Take the equation y equals 2x plus 2. You're going to put what? Y is equal to 8 and x is equal to what? 3 plus 2. So 2 times 3 is what? 6 plus 2, which is equal to what? 8. If the left side is equal to right side, you're going to write the answer yes. Okay. The point lie on the graph of the equation. Okay, right. Let's go to the next question. Determine whether the 3, 8 lie on the graph. So y equals 5x minus 1. This is x and this is y. Y is equal to 8 and x is equal to what? 3 minus 1. This equals 5 times 3 is what? 15 minus 1, which is equal to what? 14. Is this number is equal to this number? No. So we are going to write the answer no. So the point is not on the graph of the equation. Clear? Right. Let's go to the next question. Sketch the graph of 2x minus y is equal to 4. Right. So we are going to sketch. We are going to do what? Sketch. Right. So 2x minus y is equal to 4. Now we are going to write the equation y equals. Take this y as this side. So 2x minus 4 is equal to what? Y. So this is the equation of y. Now we are going to take what? Points. X and y points. Take from minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So you take your calculator, all of you, right? And type the equation 2x minus 4. Right? And then press the button calc. Calc is the key, you are going to press it. When you press calc, the calculator will ask you the question x equals question mark. So when the calculator asks x equals question mark, put x is equal to minus 2 and then press equal sign. If you press equal sign, you will get minus 8. Again press calc and then press x is equal to what? Minus 1 and then press equal. You will get minus 6. Again press calc and then press x is equal to what? 0. You will get minus 4 and then again minus 2 and then 0. This is the way you are going to do it. Right? So we got the points x equals, y equals and the points are ready to sketch the graph. Before sketch, you must know whether it is going to be a line or a curve. If the power of x is 1 and the power of y is 1, you are going to get a line. Keep in your mind. You are going to get a line. Yes. Now let us do the sketch. So this is your x-axis and this is your y-axis. My graph is not so good. Approximately I draw. So let me take the point 0, 1, 2 and 3. 3 is not included. Okay. This is minus 1 and minus 2. Y points goes up to minus 8. All the points are negative points, right? Minus 8, minus 6, minus 4, minus 2. So let me take the points here. This is minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8. So this is minus 2 and this is minus 4 and this is minus 6. Then I will take this as minus 8. All the points are negative points. So minus 2 comma minus 8. This point is the first one, right? Then the next is minus 1 comma minus 6. So minus 1 comma minus 6 is this point, right? And then 0 comma minus 4 is this point, 0 comma minus 4. Then 1 comma minus 2 is this point, right? And then 2 comma 0 is this point. If you take more points, the line will go. Let me try to draw the line exactly passes through the point. Yes, luckily I got it. Okay, right. So this is the equation of the line. Y equals what? 2x minus 4. Very easy to draw. Clear. Let's go to the next question. Sketch the graph y equals x square plus 3. Right. Take the points x points and y points. Right. Take from what? Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. And you put x is equal to minus 2 in the equation, you will get 7. Put x is equal to minus 1, you will get 4. X is equal to 0, you will get 3. X is equal to 1, you will get 4. X is equal to 2, you will get 7. How, teacher, you are getting this one? Very easy. type the equation x square plus 3. Where is x, teacher? Alpha x. And then press the button calc. There is a key called calc. Then the calculator will ask you x question mark. Then you give -2, press equal, you will get 7. Then again press calc, okay, right? And then press x equals question mark. You give -1, you will get 4, press equal. Again press calc and then press x is equal to what? 0. That is x question mark, and then you put 0 and then press equal. You will get 3. Again press calc, right? And then calculator will ask you x question mark. Put x is equal to 1, you will get 4. Again press calc, okay, and then x question mark. Then press x is equal to 2, you will get 7. This is one way. Another way also, you can create a table. Just go to mode, right? Mode, and then press table. Number is 7. So mode table also you can press 7. When you press 7, it will ask you f of x. You can write f of x is what? This one, x square plus 3. So type x square plus 3 and then you will get, press equal. When you press equal, it will ask start. Start is the value, this is called start. So this value is called start and this value is called end. So just give -2 and then press equal. Then the calculator will ask you end question mark. You give press 2 equal. And then the calculator will ask you step. Press 1, press equal. Then you will get a table x and y values. In this way also you can do. There are 2 methods and each method, whichever is comfortable for you, you can use it. But the main idea is you have to get these values. X values and y values, you have to get it. Okay, all of you. So this is the x value and this is the y value. Now we are going to do what? Sketch. Right. So let us draw the sketch. Okay. So I will draw like this. Yes. Now, before going to the sketch, you must know it is a straight line or it is a curve, right? 4 curves are, you're going to start in 0, 0, 1. Okay, right. If the power of x is 1 and 1, then it is a line. If not 1, 1, then if it is more than 1 in any of the one quantity, then it's going to be what? Curve. Look here, power of y is 1 and the power of x is what? It is 2. So therefore, you are going to get a curve. Keep in your mind. Curve means here you are going to get a parabola, right? Okay. So I'm going to plot the points. Let me get the points. -2, -1, 7, 4, 3, 4, 7. Okay, right. So this is your 0, 1, 2 and this is -1, -2, right? So the first point is -2, 7, right? And it goes up to 7. So I'll put 1 and then 2, then 3 and then 4, 5 and then 6 and then 7. So let me write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, right? So 7 points are there. So -2, 7. So this point is -2, 7. Okay. The next point is -1, 4. This point is -1, 4. And 0, 3 is this point. 0, 3 is this point. Okay. Right. And the next point is 1, 4. 1, 4 is this point. Right. And next point is 2, 7. This is 2 and this is 7. Okay. So you're going to draw a parabola like this. I'm not sure whether I'm going to draw perfectly or not. Let me try moving the iPad. Let me try. Okay, 1 minute. You should not stop it in the middle. So you should get like this. Yes. Actually, this is not a good one. Okay. So you should go like this. Right. So there is a curve here also. Make it equal. Okay. No kitch, 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 kitch. Okay. So again, I'm telling you, the curve must be like this. Okay. So what are the points? Let me do it with another curve, which is -2, 7, which is this point. -2, 7 is this point. And -1, it is 4. So -1, 4 is this point, right? And the 0, 3 is this point. And then next is 1, 4 is this point, right? And then 2, 7 is going to become this point. So the curve is what? Y is equal to x square plus 3. Am I right? Yes. Y equals x square plus 3. Clear, everybody? Right. Let's go for the next one. Write the standard form of the equation of the circle. Standard form of the equation of the circle. What is standard form of the equation of circle? X minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equals r square. So what is h and k? H and K is center, right? Yes. And what is R? R is the radius. Okay, right. Now what is given? Center is given. So center is equal to what? Minus 2 comma 4 is given. And radius is given square root of 20. So let us put all these things in the standard form, right? So what happens now? It is x minus h. So this is your h, this is your k. So this is minus 2. So it will become plus 2 the whole square plus. And this is y minus k, y minus 4 the whole square equals square root of 20 the whole square. So this equals, this equals x plus 2 the whole square, x plus 2 the whole square plus y minus 4 the whole square equals square root of 20 square is what? 20, right? Because square root will go away. If you don't know, you can put in the calculator also. Clear? Yes. So this is called what? Standard form of the equation of the circle. Standard form of the equation of the circle. Standard form of the equation of the circle. All these English words please remember. Okay, otherwise in the exam it will get confused. So please remember these words. Next question is find the center and radius of the circle. Okay, so look here, x square plus y square is equal to what? 25. Can I write this as x minus 0 the whole square and then y minus 0 the whole square equals r square? Yes. So r square means I'm going to write this as 5 square. So what is the general form? X minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equals r square, right? What is the question? They are asking center and radius. So what is the formula for center? Which is h comma k, and radius is what? R. So now just match check h. H is equal to what? 0. Check k is also 0. So center is equal to 0 0. Now check r square is equal to what? 25. Or you can write like this, r square equals 5 square. So what is your r? Plus 5. Negative 5 is not allowed because radius cannot be negative, right? So this is your center and radius. Clear all of you? Right. Let's go to the next question. Find the center and radius of the circle, which is given x plus 4 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square equals 16. So I'm going to write in the standard form x minus h the whole square, y minus k the whole square equals r square. Now please compare. Compare if there is a minus here. No. So that means h is equal to what? You just write center, right? So if it is minus sawa, take the same number. If maafi sawa, you take what? Negative 4. Here sawa, yes. So take k is equal to what? 2. Radius r square is equal to 16. So r is equal to what? 4. How 4, teacher? We are just taking square root of 16. You will get what? Plus or minus 4. But 4 is the correct answer. Next question. Find the center and radius of the circle. X minus 3 the whole square plus y plus 5 the whole square, right? Which is equal to what? Which is equal to 25. So I'm writing the general form x minus h the whole square. You have to memorize everything. Y minus the k square is equal to what? R square. Now just compare. We are going to write what? Center and radius, right? Check sawa minus. Yes, then you write the same number. Sawa minus. No. So reverse it. Minus 5. So r square is equal to what? 25. So what is r is equal to? 5. So we are going to write center is 3 comma minus 5 and radius is equal to 5. Every student get confused with this. Again I'm telling, if minus take the same number. If maafi minus change this number from plus to minus. Okay, right. Solve the linear equation and check your solution. So you are going to solve and you are going to check. So 5 times x minus 2 plus 3 is equal to 2 times 4x plus 1, right? Before you solve this equation manually, just go to the calculator. Please type this equation. Please type this equation. And then press the button shift, okay? Then calc, then press equal. Your screen will come x equals, okay? The screen will come what? X equals, and L minus R will give you 0. Take this answer. This answer you should get in the exam. Keep in your mind, right? So let us start the solution. 5 times x is what? 5x. 5 times 2 is what? Minus 10. Plus 3 is equal to 2 times 4 is what? 8x. And 2 times 1 is what? Plus 2. So now take all the x this side. 5x and this x, 8x comes this side. Minus 8x equals. And this side is 2 is there. Minus 10 goes that side as what? Plus 10. Plus 3 goes that side as what? Minus 3. Clear everybody? Right. So what happens now? 5x minus 8x is what? Which is minus 3x. This equals 2 plus 10 is what? 12. 12 minus 3 is what? Which is 9. Right? So you're going to divide by 3 and you're going to divide by 3. X equals what? Sorry, minus 3, minus 3. So x equals what? Minus 3. This is your solution. Just check here in the calculator. Are you getting minus 3 or not? This is only for checking, only for checking. Which checking? For yourself. But for this check, you need to write steps. Keep in your mind. For this one, you have to write steps checking. Okay. How to do checking, teacher? I'm going to call this as left and this is right. So left and then I'm going to call it as right. Left is 5 times x minus 2 plus 3. And the right is 2 times 4x plus 1. Okay. Right. Now you put x is equal to what? Negative 3. The answer which you got here. So carefully put it 5 times negative 3, negative 2 plus 3. So you put everything in the calculator, you will get minus 22. Okay. No teacher, I don't know how to do in the calculator. Very simple. 5 bracket open minus 3 minus 2. So which is minus 5. So minus 25 plus 3. Same manner here also you are going to put it and same answer coming or not, check it out. So what you're going to do, you're going to put x equals minus 3. Sorry, 4 times minus 3 and then plus 1. Bracket everything, use it in the calculator safely. In the same manner. So you're going to get in the calculator, it is minus 22. If this number is same, then your answer is going to become what? Correct. So yes, the answer is correct, you can. So how many ways of doing this problem? First one, you check your answer in the calculator using this idea. Type, I said type, okay. And then the second you are doing manually. Then you are checking manually by equations, okay. Right. So these things you have to do it. Next, let's go to the next one. Solve the linear equation 7x plus 2 is equal to 3 minus 3x, right? So 7x and this 3x bring this side, you will get 3x, right? So this is equal to 3 is here, 2 comes that side, 3 minus 2. 7 plus 3x is what? 10x is equal to 3 minus 2 is what? 1. So x is equal to what? 10? No. In the exam you will write x equals 10. No. Divide by 10, divide by 10. X equals what? 1 by 10. Clear everybody? Right. So x equals 1 by 10. Now how we are going to check? The check is totally different, right? So you write left side and right side. What is your left side? 7x plus 2. What is your right side? 3 minus 3x. You are going to put what? X is equal to 1 over 10. So 7 times 1 over 10 plus 2. Exactly put in the calculator like this. 3 minus 3 times 1 over 10. So this is 7 by 10, this is 10. So you're going to get 27 by 10 in the calculator. And here also you're going to get 27 by 10 in the calculator. If these two answers are correct, then you're going to say the solution is correct. Okay, everybody? Right. And also another one way, take your calculator, type this equation 7x plus 2 equals 3 minus 3x. Where is this equal, teacher? Alpha equal. Keep in your mind. Pink color, alpha equal in the calculator. And then press 3 button. What are the 3 keys, teacher? Shift and then calc and then equal. These are the 3 keys, you have to press it. If you press these 3 keys, you will get x equals and L minus R equals 0 you will get. And in this place you will get 1 over 10 or you will get 0.1 also you can get it. Okay, right. Let's go for the next question. Find x and y intercepts of the graph of the equation. So we are going to find what? X and y intercepts. Right. So let us start. So 3x minus 4y is equal to 12. I'm going to find out x intercept here. I'm going to find y intercept here. So what is the equation? 3x minus 4y is equal to 12. What is the equation? 3x minus 4y is equal to 12. What is the rule? The rule is put x intercept y equal to 0. What is the rule? Put x is equal to 0. This is the rule, keep in your mind. And this is the rule, keep in your mind. Okay, right. When I put y equal to 0, this becomes what? 0. So 3x is equal to what? 12. Divide by 3, divide by 3. So x equals what? 4 times 3. So what is your x-intercept? Your x-intercept is equal to what? 4 over 3. Clear? Sorry. 4 comma 0. Why 0, teacher? Because x value is 4 and y is equal to what? 0. What about your y-intercept? Put x is equal to 0. So this is equal to 0. So negative 4y is equal to 12. Divide by negative 4, divide by negative 4. So y is equal to what? Negative 3, right? So what about your x value? 0 and this minus 3. 0 comma minus 3. You have to write this step, very, very important. This is x-intercept and this is y-intercept. This step is very, 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 very important. Don't stop it with x value and y value. This is not x-intercept, this is not y-intercept. This is only x-intercept, this is only y-intercept. Keep in your mind, this is x value, okay? And this is x value and this is y value. Let us do one more question. Find the x and y intercepts of the graph of the equation. So I'm going to find x intercept and I'm going to find y intercept. So 2x plus 5y is equal to 10. 2x plus 5y is equal to 10. And what is the rule here? The rule is put y equal to what? 0. What is the rule here? Put x is equal to what? 0. Right. When I put y equal to 0, I will get 2x is equal to what? 10. So divide by 2, divide by 2. X is equal to what? 5. Clear? So what is your x-intercept? Your x-intercept is x is equal to 5 and y is equal to what? 0. You must write this step, don't forget. Now for this one, y-intercept, put x is equal to what? 0. So 5y is equal to what? 10. Divide by 5, divide by 5. So y is equal to what? 2, right? So what is the answer? X is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 is your y-intercept. Clear all of you? Right. Let's go to the next question. The sum of two consecutive natural numbers. So this is sum of two consecutive natural numbers, right? What do you mean by natural number? 1, 2, 3. If you want to go to the next natural number, what you have to do? Add 1. If you want to go to the next natural number, you want to add 1. So it means, let me take the first natural number is n. Consecutive means next to next. So the next one is what? You are going to add 1. Add 1 means what? Plus 1. So what is the next number? N plus 1, which is equal to what? 289. Clear everybody? Right. So this equals n plus n is what? 2n. This n and this n 2n. Plus 1 is equal to 289. So 2n equals 289 minus 1. And then 2n is equal to 289 minus 1 is what? 288. Divide by 2, divide by 2. So n is equal to 144, right? So is this the answer, teacher? No. What is the question? Find the numbers. You're going to find the numbers, right? Sum of two consecutive natural numbers, right? So what are the numbers? 144 and 145. Teacher, how you got 145? Because I'm adding plus 1. Right, everybody? Let's go to the next question. To get A in a course, you must have an average of at least 90%. At least means what? More than or equal to 90 on 4 tests worth 100 points each. Your scores are 88, 91, 85. So 88, 91 and 85. What you must score on the 4th test? Let me call the 4th test mark as X. Okay. So I'm going to add plus X. I'm going to calculate the average. Divide by 4. So 88 plus 91 plus 85 is equal to this adding 264 plus X divided by 4 is greater than or equal to 90. I do magas. So 264 plus X is more than or equal to 9 4s are 36. X is more than or equal to 360 minus 264. So X is more than or equal to 96. What is the meaning of this? You must score at least 96 on the 4th test to get which grade? A grade. Clear? Right. All these things are available in the shorts. If you want, you can check also. Next, solve the equation x plus 3 the whole square equals 49 by extracting the square roots. Underline the word extracting. Extracting means you're going to take the square root on both sides. Keep in your mind. Okay? Right. Extracting the square roots. So what is the question? X plus 3 the whole square is equal to 49. So take square root and take square root. For numbers, please use plus or minus. Right. So x plus 3 is equal to what? Plus or minus 49. So x plus, x plus 3 is equal, x plus 3 is equal to 7, 7s are 49. So we are going to put what? 7. Okay, clear everybody? Right. So therefore, x plus 3 is equal to, there are two values, right? Plus 7 and x plus 3 is equal to negative 7. Keep in your mind. So x is equal to 7. This 3 goes that side. 7 minus 3. So x is equal to what? 4. Clear? 7 minus 3 is what? 4. And then this one also. X equals minus 7. This goes that side, which is minus 3. Okay? Minus 7 minus 3. So x equals minus 10. Clear? Right. Teacher, I want to check my answer is correct or not. How can I check this, teacher? Yes, you can check in the calculator. How? Type this equation. X plus 3 in the calculator. X plus 3 power 2. Type this in the calculator. And then press the button calc. Okay, and then press the button what? Calc. If you press the button calc, the calculator will ask you x question mark, right? Put x is equal to 4. Press 4 and then press equal. If you press equal, you should get 49. If you get 49, your answer is correct. And then again press calc. Again press calc. Again if you press calc, the calculator will ask you x question mark, right? So now you give the answer negative 10 and then press equal. If you get the answer 49, then your answer is correct. Clear all of you, right? This is one way to check your answer is correct or not. Again, I'm telling for checking. Let's go to the next question. What is next question? Solve the equation by extracting the square roots, right? So 2x minus 7 the whole square is equal to what? 25. Take square root and take square root. For number, please use plus or minus. So 2x minus 7 is equal to, right? Plus or minus 25 is what? 5. 25 of square root, right? So therefore 2x minus 7 is equal to two answers. One is plus 5 and 2x minus 7 is equal to negative 5. So 2x equals 7 goes that side. So 5 plus 7. So 2x equals 7 plus 5 is what? 12, right? So divide by 2, divide by 2. So x equals what? 6. And here 2x equals, this negative 7 goes that side, minus 5 plus 7. So 2x equals 2, right? So divide by 2, divide by 2, x equals what? 1. So we got two answers. How can I check this in the calculator, teacher? Again, I'm telling how to check. Okay. So please, in the calculator, type. When I say type, you have to type like this. 2x minus 7 whole square. Where is x, teacher? Alpha x, pink color. The key is pink color. Okay, right. So press this and then press the button calc. When you press the button calc, the calc button is on the top of the first row. And the calculator will ask you x question mark. You put x is equal to 6. When you put x is equal to 6, you should get the answer 25. Press equal 25. If 25 comes, then this answer is correct. Again press calc and then x question mark, you give this answer 1 and then press equal, you should get the answer 25. If you get the answer 25, then your x is equal to 1 is what? Correct. Clear all of you? Right. So in this way, you can check your answer in the calculator. Clear all of you? Right. Let's go to the next question. Use the quadratic formula to solve the equation, right? Yes. So what is the equation? 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. So a equals what? 2. B equals what? Negative 5. C is equal to what? 3. What is the question? Quadratic formula. So what is your quadratic formula? X equals minus b plus or minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. If the question is quadratic formula, you should use the quadratic formula. But before starting the quadratic formula, just use your calculator mode 5 and then 3. When you press mode 5 and 3, the calculator will ask you A, B, C. A is what? 2. B is what? Negative 5. C is what? 3. So please give it in the calculator. Let me also start along with you. Mode and then 5. Okay, equation. And then 3, right? So if I press this one, 2, press minus 5 and then press 3. If you equate, you will get x1 equals 3 over 2 and x2 equals 1. Keep it on your hand, ready. Then you start your question. Okay, everybody? Right. So x equals minus b. What is minus b? Minus of minus 5. Plus or minus square root of b is minus 5. Be careful. Minus 5 the whole square minus 4 times a is 2 and c is what? 3 divided by 2a. 2 into 2 you are going to put it. Clear everybody? So x equals minus of minus plus 5 square root of, if you want you can put in the calculator or you can do manually, no problem. 5 square is 25 and then minus 24. I'm going to get square root of 1. I just put in my mind. If you want you can put in the calculator. So this is divided by 4. So what is square root of 1? Square root of 1 is equal to negative, not negative 5, positive 5. Plus or minus, it is 1 divided by 4. Now we have two answers. Clear everybody? Now we have two answers. One here and one here. Right. So x equals plus 5 plus 1 divided by 4. X equals plus 5 minus 1 by 4. How teacher minus? You look here. Plus or minus. One is plus, one is minus. So x equals 6 divided by 4, or you can put in the calculator. X equals 4 by 4. You can put in the calculator also, no problem. X equals 3 by 2 and x equals 1. Is this the answer? You got it in the calculator before you start the question. Wow, x equals 3 by 2 and x equals 1. Right, so nice. Let us go to the next question. Use quadratic formula to solve the equation. So what is the a value? Which is 3. What is b value? 1. What is c value? Minus 2. Go to your calculator everybody. Mod 5 and then 3. What is your calculator? Mod 5 and 3. This is only for checking. So this is 3 equal, 1 equal, minus 2 equal. If you press this one, I will get x1 equals 2 by 3 and x2 equals negative 1. Just keep it in your hand and we will see whether we get the same answer or not. So what is the quadratic formula? X equals minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. So this equals x equals minus b. So minus 1 plus or minus square root b square 1 square minus 4. Slowly put it. A is how much? 3 and c is how much? Negative 2 divided by 2a. 2 times 3. So this equals x equals minus 1. You can put everything in the calculator. I got the answer 5. So divided by 2 divided by what? 2 multiplied by what? 6. Right. So you're going to get what? Two answers. One this side and one this side. So let me write here. X equals minus 1 plus 5 divided by 6. X equals minus 1 minus 5 divided by 6. Clear everybody? Minus 1 minus 5. Right. So x equals minus 1 plus 5 is what? 4 by 6. And x equals minus 6 by 6. So we are going to get x equals 4 by 6. 4 by 6 is what? 2 by 3. 4 by 6 is what? 2 by 3. Or you can put in the calculator, no problem. And x equals negative 1. So these are the answers for you. X equals 2 over 3 and negative 1. Clear all of you? This is a revision. That's why I'm going a little faster. Okay, right. Next question is, a floor is 12 meters longer than its width. Again, the floor, it's a rectangular floor, right? So this is called as length, right? And this is called as width. So we call it as W and we call it as L, right? So the floor is 12 meters longer. 12 meters longer than its width. So this is width, okay. This is what? 12 meters more than width. W plus 12, right? And the area of the floor is equal to how much? 220, right? So area is equal to what? 220. What is area? Length multiplied by width. So we are going to multiply W and then W plus 12 is equal to 220. Correct? Yes. W multiplied by W is what? W square. W multiplied by this or 12W. And then I bring this one minus 2 to 0 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation in W. So please go to your calculator and press mode and then 5. And then 3, right? Mode 5, 3. If you press, the calculator will ask you what is A and what is B, what is C. And this is your A. A is how much? 1. B is how much? 12. And C is how much? Negative 220. And then press equal. You will get the answer. X is equal to, which is W is equal to 10. Why W, teacher? Because this is quadratic equation, right? This is a quadratic equation in W. So it means your answer is in W. Keep in your mind, okay? So W is equal to, I got 10, and W is equal to, I got another answer. 1 minute. I got minus 22 also, okay? Negative values are not allowed, keep in your mind. So we are going to refuse this one. Why? Because it's minus. We are going to accept only positive value, okay? So W is equal to 10. So if W is equal to 10, what is your L? L is nothing but W plus 12. So it is 10 plus 12 is equal to 22. So I got 10 and 12. Okay, teacher. How can I check my answer is correct or not? You can check your answer like this. You got W, right? And you got length, right? So just multiply 10 multiplied by 22. This gives the answer what? 220. Check it out. This is the area given in the question. Look here. Area is 220, right? So your answer is correct. Clear all of you? Right? Yes. Now let's go to the last question. Write an algebraic expression for the verbal description. The product of two consecutive even integers. The product of two consecutive. So let me take, this is one and this is next one, right? What we are going to do? Product. Product means what? Multiply. So two consecutive even integers. Okay, what do you mean by even integers? Look here. Even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 like this. If I want to jump from this to this, I have to add what? Plus 2. If I want to jump from here, it is what? Plus 2. I want to add plus 2. It means what? The two consecutive numbers are getting by adding what? Plus 2. So in manner, I am going to add here also plus 2. Right. First one is what? 2n. So this is your 2n. What is your next number? 2n plus 2. What they are asking? Product. So 2n multiplied by 2n plus 2. So this equals, right? 2n multiplied by 2n is what? 4n square. 2n multiplied by this is what? Plus 4n. Clear everybody? Sorry. This is plus 4n. Right. Yes. Right. So this finishes your module 2 revision for the exercise 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 and 1.4. Great work. We have completed 20 revision questions less than 40 minutes from module 2, right? If you want more revision videos for other modules, just comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next session. Good luck and study well. Bye-bye.